Good evening, Professor. My name is Alessandro Rossi, and I have been working with Paola Panunzio and Luca Boiero, as you will see on the group list. Our project was focused on big data, and our goal, as you will see in the last two topics, in the last two questions, is focused on the elaboration of big data thanks to the utilization of different kind of new technologies, such as eye tracking cameras. And that's why, talking about the effects on the employees, where mainly my work was focused on, we would say that according to the last high-tech surveys about artificial intelligence and big data, our project for El Corte Ingles would potentially increase a lot productivity, the employees' productivity, and it would also allow them to place the product in a better way inside each supermarket. Furthermore, using this new eyesight tracker displayed on each on the ceilings and especially in front of the shelves of the supermarket, we would be able to collect the relevant information about where the attention of the customer is focused on, looking at the pupils, if they dilate, if they become bigger or tiny, according to the interest of each customer, and thanks to this also the choice. And this would also allow us to understand what is going through their mind, and if the shelves, if the supermarket is appealing. So product placement would become an art, obviously, which we would be able to slowly in time master much more easily thanks to this kind of brand new technology and its consequent elaboration. Talking about the last question, which was the second topic where I focused especially my attention on, first of all, we would start talking about the steps. I mean, the steps where we introduce this new technology. These cameras would offer customers the possibility to spend more time in front of them, and we would start, for example, to place them in the wine sector, which for example, in Italy is the place where all the customers spend more time when they have to choose all the different bottles, ages, if they are aged or not, red wine, sparkling wine, whatever. So in order to get all this choice, to get fresh data, only after a few months of this experimentation, we would be able to understand if this choice was successful or it must be applied even in other areas of the supermarket, in order to better understand the purchasing process of the customer. After these initial steps, we would be supported obviously by a data elaborating company, a high-tech company, which would study and organize all this information in order to get concrete results. If this project shows positive results, we would of course consider the option of implementing it with maybe touch screens and interactive displays, like many brands have now, for example, on the fridges in many even French and Russian supermarket, like Carrefour in France. And thanks to this, customers may stop and leave their contribution and suggestions to El Corte Inglés, maybe adding new ideas, and a new possible project for our selling style. So thank you very much.